Yo, what's up guys? Happy Friday from the Rain Vlogs right here. I think I start the vlog like 4 or 5 times before I actually get a take that I like. I'm on lunch right now. I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna eat right now. I was gonna get Costco, but I have to run home and grab this paper for school. I am going back to school. Just a little update. That's why I have to go get that paper so I can register for my classes today. I'm gonna take 2 summer classes, so I will be busy, but I am going to bring you guys content. Vlogs will still be here weekendly, sounds weird. But don't give up on me, and we're gonna have this journey. I'm gonna be able to do all this stuff. I just want to be able to show everybody that you can do it all if you really want it all. You just have to put your mindset there. So school, vlogging, work, extracurricular activities for me, that is what it's about. Hopefully we can all be here for it, and you know, wish me luck with school because it's been a while. If you follow me on Snapchat for a little bit, you knew that I was doing an apple today. Sorry you didn't get to see my apple today, but man, that's good. Just got home. I did a little voiceover recording from last week's vlog, a little part of it, because we didn't get audio. So I was kind of confused on that. I'm probably going to go to Michael's and grab some supplies for that dream board that I was telling you guys about last week. I haven't started yet, but this weekend I will. So we should have some progress. And I got some more softball today against that team that killed us 43-10. So hopefully we do good there. Just posted the vlog. Pretty stoked about that. Just Friday, so we might see, I might go back to 15-minute videos instead of 5-minute videos. I mean, they're supposed to be around 5, that one's like 6. But it's all good. I'm about to take Jay to his car right now. He just got an oil change. And then I'm about to go play ball. I didn't end up going to Michael's because I was busy with the vlog. But I will get there. We will get there this weekend with the dream board. Let's send it. Boom. Hit stop. The only thing that's not yellow tagged in here. I buy. That's just who I am. Say what's up, Jay. Say what's up to the fans, Jay. We had to make a little pit stop. Had to get beers for the game. For my bag. Me and Edgar like to chug them. Yeah. So what's up, my squad? Another week out here at softball. What's up, guys? Let's go, let's go. Say what's up, say what's up. Where you been? Long time no see. You made the vlog last year. How you feel about today's game?
Where's Pete? Where's Pete at? Pete, pitcher.
Pete, interview.
MVP right there.
MVP?
MVP.
MVP, get it?
And then another MVP. It's like EMT.
EMT, congrats, bro. Hey, congrats on that EMT shit. All right, guys, beautiful game today, even though we got our asses kicked. But I still had fun. I hurt my ankle. Hopefully, I get to see that on film later. Random find right here. It's good. You guys here at Michael's? What are you guys getting on Michael's right now?
These are Sharpies.
Sharpies, that's it. That's all you're getting here.
Little Faderade?
No, I got these at CVS. Yeah, I'm here for letters.
It's
okay?
gonna be Faderade.
I'm here for letters and glue.
Glitter.
Dude, it's just been a wild night tonight. Look at this shit. Look who we found in my
Eating with glitter.
Hey,
Look,
you know,
Big Jake, pick a hand.
Left hand.
My left or your left?
My left. You're right.
So my right?
Yeah, you're right.
I would have picked the other ones.
What is that? Oh, lenses.
Ooh, check it out. Got my Oakleys, babe.
See, he picked the old lenses. Probably a bad choice. These are all scratched up.
Sick, dude. It's been a while. Yo, check it out. I had this made this week. A little sample T-shirt for you guys. Not by me.
It's hard to fit my arms in.
But by B. Louie. So, I got 25 whites, 25 blacks coming, 5 of each size.
Boom. Hey, dude. Hey, what are you doing?
Stop it! I'm not a whore.
Fucking
What
remake.
size are you, Trav? Are you Trav? Are you large, Trav?
Cause that's just who I am this week. Lie in the grass next to the mausoleum. Boom. What's up, Jimmy? We just picked up the homie Jimmy. I know. I was like, fuck it.
I'm a little. Never mind.
He's a little
forgot this
fucked
rated-
up.
rated
You be
PG.
fucked up. It doesn't matter.
okay.
You be fucked up. Who cares?
Alright, I'm fucked up.
Me too. Yo, we getting beard right now. What? God.
Hey,
Say what up, Crampy.
say what's up to Crappy. I already got a beer, Crappy.
Oh, wow.
Jess made the vlog. That's all I ever wanted. We're on
Oh,
it.
yeah, Jess. There you go. You're making the vlog.
Say what's up to the vlog.
Say it to the fans. Hey, yo, ready? Yo, what up? We got the boy Cody in right now. What's up? Yo, we have Brandon from my drink. Red Bull vodka.
Would you drink salmon, boys?
Good, man. Say what's up to the vlog. What do you got to say?
Just a couple brewskis for the boys at Brennan.
Jacob, say what's up to the vlog, bro. Yeah, hey, I'm pretty on point with my face shots, okay? So I need you to double check that.
I wasn't sure you're telling the truth.
Come on, dude. I dig it. What's good, guys? From the Rain Vlogs. What up? Yeah, we just got back from the bar, about to be dropped off with the homies right here.
What's good?
Woo! Just want to sign off for fucking Friday. Fucking love today. The homies showed up. It's been a fucking kick-ass day. I don't got work tomorrow, so I'm gonna throw down. Love you guys. Everybody have a great weekend.